Welcome guys. So we have seen what is constructor and what we mean by implicit and explicit constructor. So now what are the types of constructor? So first type is default constructor. Default constructor is same as we discussed implicit constructor. So the constructor do not have any parameter, or the constructor which is parameterless is the default constructor. So let us see one by example, taking one example. This is our written constructor. Let me remove this. Now we do not have any explicit constructor. Take one variable. Now here you can see we are accessing this variable in object of or instance of our basics of constructor class. Now let us see what value we will get. Let me write down. So you can see value for x is 0, means our variable x is initialized by default constructor. So we have not passed any parameter in our default constructor. Let me write down that constructor. So this is our default constructor written explicitly, and it does not have any parameter passed into it. So default constructor is a constructor which do not have any parameter or parameterless constructor. So every time we create instance of our object using default constructor, we will get value of x is initialized by that default constructor, same in every instance. To have new values for our x, we are going to see parameterized constructor. So using parameterized constructor, we can pass parameter here in our default constructor. So it will convert into parameterized constructor and we will get new value for our x. So let us see this by example. For this, write down one constructor. So this constructor is converted into parameterized constructor because we are passing here one parameter, that is integer x. Now let us create object of our class. Now see here, during creating our object or instance of class, we can pass here parameter. So this instance will use parameterized constructor. Suppose I am passing here 9. So now we are passing value for x from our instance. So let me write in our constructor value of x. So now we will get this value from our parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor will assign new value to our x. Let me run this. So here you can see value from parameterized constructor is 9 and value of x is 0. The default constructor do not have any parameter passed into it, so it initializes our integer to x, and our parameterized constructor initializes give new value to our x integer. So this is default and parameterized constructor. Next type is copy constructor. Copy constructor is a constructor which takes same class as a parameter. So let's take an example for this. Let us take string name integer age. Let us write one parameterized constructor. Assign those values. Now let us write copy constructor. See, copy constructor takes same class as a parameter, so class name as a parameter. So here the copy constructor we are passing the class itself as a parameter. Now in name class create object of class obj we pass here then pass here Ivana 18. Now let us create another object obj2 new and pass here instance of our first object. Now console log. So let us run our solution and see it's working. So as you can see, we got our values from instance 2 and those values are passed from instance 1. In this way our copy constructor works. Now we can see what we mean by static and private